pressure canner, a safe and economical way to preserve produce, meat, and fish. With limited freezer space, a bountiful harvest can be a challenge. Preserve all that garden goodness with a Presto pressure canner, meat and fish too. The 80-page recipe and instruction book guides you step by step. Constructed of heavy-gauge aluminum, the canner is made to last. Works on electric, gas, and even smooth top ranges. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the USDA for canning low-acid foods like vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. The Presto pressure canner doubles as a boiling water canner for fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. Use it as a giant pressure cooker too. The canner is covered by a 12-year limited warranty and is easy to use. Position the canning rack in the canner, add water, and place your prepared jars of food on the rack. Line up the arrows and the cover twists on. Turn on the burner, let the canner vent for a few minutes, and place the regulator on the vent pipe. Allow the pressure gauge to rise to the pressure that's indicated in the recipe and process for the specified time. Designed for easy, confident home pressure canning, it's the smart choice for food preservation. The Presto Pressure Canner. Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes, and with the Ultralock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speak. U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Love You oven gloves are super unique. I've never seen a oven glove that it has 2 layers. The outside is silicone, so it's waterproof and heat resistant, and the inside is actually a really nice absorbent cotton, which is actually pretty comfortable. And it is great for cooking, for taking stuff out of the oven when you're dealing with hot pans, hot materials. So overall super useful, which is great for storage, super convenient. You can put them inside like a closet or the pantry and keep them hidden if you don't want them out. Super convenient and helps you keep them organized and together.
Kinetic Sand! With the Kinetic Sandbox set, play anywhere you want, any way you want. Will you squish it, mix it, flow it, or mold it? Use the tools to create something amazing. It's easy to clean, so you can always create something new. How do you Kinetic Sand? Kinetic Sand Sandbox Set. Additional sets sold separately, new from Spin Master.
Hey everybody, I got one of these pool vacuum things, and this is like a really budget-friendly one. You connect it to your hose, and the hose flow is supposed to give enough vacuum where it'll suck up through here. You also got the brushes, and then it'll go through here through this mesh bag to catch everything. I am going to try it out for the first time. It does have a pretty long handle for it, and I'm just curious of how well this will work. Also, it does come with an adapter where you hook it up to your hose, and then you can just clip it on really easy and simple. Right now I am emptying out my pool because I'm going to be starting everything fresh, but I want to show you how well this will vacuum while I test it out. Alright, let's take a look. So I got the hose on. Yep, you can see where the water is flowing out of there. And if the camera can see it, I got a nice pile of bugs and stuff down here. So let's give it a try. Alright, if you can see everything that's in that mesh bag, this actually works a heck of a lot better than I thought it was going to. It's picking up everything off the bottom. And yeah, I mean, if you have to put some water into your pool anyway, this is a perfect way to do it because you are putting water in while it's using it as a vacuum. And you can vacuum up all your bugs while at the same time you're adding some fresh water.